Hey guys! My name's Jeanie. I call myself the Food Jeanie because I can make food appear and it's tasty every time. I can make something out of literally nothing and I can make food disappear. But anyway, no, seriously. Pepsi did a re-release of Pepsi Blue. So I did a little bit of research. It came out in 2002. It was discontinued in 2004, made a brief reappearance in 2016-17, went away again, and now it's back. Let's try it. Oh yeah, it's still a chemical bomb. 2002 called They Want Their Soda Back. Bye!